Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. Here is a list of numbers. From the list of numbers, write down a cube number. So we can see here that 8 is simply 2 cubed. A factor of 70. So anything 70 is a multiple of. Here we have 14. And 70 can be divided by 14. So we can write here 14. A multiple of 6. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. So that means 6 is a multiple of 30. And a prime number. So a prime number, it can only be divided by themselves and 1, and for that we have 3. Here's a number machine. Work out the input when the output is 108. So that means an unknown times 5 plus 3 is equal to 108. So we can bring 3 to the other side. We have 5x is equal to 108 minus 3 is 105. And then that means when we divide both sides by 5, we have x is equal to 21. So the input is 21. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.